This is the ejector ram and the stairway that goes to the baler. Marathon baler, hydraulic fittings on the back, the baler, and the opposite side of the ejector ram, Marathon TR9 baler, serial number 86189. The rest of the baler is the main part of the baler is here on this trailer, tractor trailer. The controls have been covered, tarped. Here's the close-up of the view inside of the baler. Looking out through the chute on the top. This is the side of the baler. I'll back up and get a better view. That's the top or the chute. Controls have been covered so that they're not damaged by the weather or the air, outside air. This is the close-up of the ram. There's the ram inside there. The back side of the ram. I'll back up where you can get a better view. This is the other side of the baler. It's on top of a trailer. So that's a complete view of the baler on top of the tractor trailer that it's sitting on. I'll move back around and look at it from the other side. And the controls, you can see the controls, that the control panel has been covered. There's the up above is the control panel. It's been covered and tarped. The hopper, the chute, and that's the entire unit sitting on top of the tractor trailer. I'll get a close-up view again so you can see the serial number. This unit was originally purchased new from Marathon by the city of Fayetteville. It still has the stamp on there. We acquired it through an auction, thinking that we would be able to use it in our operation, but it sat idle. We never have been able to use it in the configuration in our recycle building, so it's sat idle and has since been declared surplus equipment and is available for sale. It was a working unit when we purchased it from the city of Fayetteville in an equipment auction that they had. So all of that information is also available from Marathon, that the city of Fayetteville was in fact the original purchaser of this equipment. So I'll do one more quick view through the through the hopper, the other side. I'll reach in there and see if anything else can be seen. That's the entire mouth and chute of the baler. This is the electric motor for the Marathon 2-ram baler. It's the TR9, and serial number, if you can read it there, is 86189. And I'll back up so you can get a view of the actual motor itself. And then this is the box here. We'll open that up. That's the fuses and control panel. It's all intact. As I mentioned earlier, it is a functioning model, and was so when it was taken out of service. It's just been stored in a warehouse, and other than being dusty, it's a good unit. We'll go around, we'll look at the motor here. See if I can back up a little bit and get a view of the entire thing. So here's the motor, and we'll go up, get a close-up of the motor. It's a Baler motor, and looks to be a 50 horsepower, if you can read that. Motor. Back up. You can get a broader view of that. And this other side. Like I said, other than being dusty from being in the warehouse, it's pretty much unused, very lightly used motor and hydraulic hoses. So very good functioning unit.